Group 14 element carbon family, which electronic configuration NH2, NP2, 4 electron in valence shell, oxidation state +4, -4, +2, in which element is carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. M+4 is generally not found. Carbon silicon compound covalent. Physical property: atomic size increased down the group. Ionization energy decrease down the group. Carbon valency +4, silicon +4, germanium +4, +2, tin +2, lead +2. Which is better reducing agent? Reducing agent is self-oxidize, SnCl2 and lead Cl2. Tin, which reduce another compound and form Sn+4. Here lead reduce another compound and form Pb+4, which is self-oxidize. As per inert pair effect, Sn+4, which is high, Sn+4 state which is high stability. That's why SnCl2 is better reducing agent. If we compare PbCl2 and SnCl4, here reducing agent is self-oxidize Pb+4, and here Sn is already in +4 oxidation state. That's why PbCl2 is better oxidizing agent, and here SnCl4 not used as a reducing agent. Because the catenation property, tendency to form a bond, carbon single bond, carbon double bond O, carbon double bond, carbon nitrogen triple bond, carbon triple bond. Then here is the tendency to form a bond. Carbon is higher, then silicon, then germanium, then tin, then lead. Lead is lower bond formation. Size increase, so bond length increase, so they easily break, and not for stable long chain. Electron sharing tendency decrease from silicon to lead. Size increase, so they are not form multiple bond with oxygen, carbon and nitrogen. These are the reason why carbon is most important. Allotropes: all elements which have different form which with a physical property different but chemical property same, these are called allotrope. Chemical property same but physical property different, it's called allotrope. Except lead, all element of carbon family form allotrope except lead Pb. Carbon allotrope: amorphous and crystalline. Amorphous, which is coke, coal, lamp black, and crystalline is diamond, graphite and fullerenes. Carbon exists as a crystalline in diamond form, allotropes main and graphite. Silicon does not exist in graphite-like structure. Pp bond forming tendency is very less in silicon because large size of the atom. So element of silicon structure exists in diamond structure. Carbon valencies for other element 6 vacant d orbital. SiF6 2-, SnBr6 2-. Due to the d orbital, that's why. Chemical property hydride. कार्बन तो हाइड्रोकार्बन, कार्बन ना हाइड्राइड हाइड्रोकार्बन, सिलिकॉन के हाइड्राइड सिलेन SiN H2n+2, जर्मेन के हाइड्राइड GeN H2n+2, टीन SnH2, स्टेनिन PbH2, प्लम्बेन. स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ हाइड्राइड डिक्रीज डाउन द ग्रुप. हम बात करेंगे हेलाइड. These are the MX4 covalent. SnCl2, PbCl2 is exceptional. Thermal stability decrease with increase in atomic size of the halogen. Down the group thermal stability decrease. Then hydrolysis of halide. Except carbon tetrachloride, all other are hydrolyzed readily with water. Why carbon tetrachloride? Because not vacant d orbital. That's why the carbon tetrachloride are not hydrolyzed. Tin, silicon, SiNCl4 plus H2O, that's form silicon hydride SiOH4 plus HCl. Silicon tetrafluoride plus water, silicon oxide plus H2SiF6, fluorosilicic acid. CCl4 does not behave as a Lewis acid, which is other behave as a Lewis acid. Compound of carbon. First of all, carbon monoxide, COOH, concentrate H2SO4, react, then form water plus CO plus CO2, formic acid, concentrate H2SO4, H2O plus CO2, CO form in incomplete combustion, 2 carbon plus O2, 2 CO by steam, water plus carbon, water H2O gas is a steam plus carbon solid in red hot. Then it form hydrogen plus carbon monoxide. 1 gem mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide is a water gas, अथवा सीन gas. In 1 gem 2 mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called syn gas, synthesis gas. CH3OH, CO plus 2H2 CH3OH, methanol. Metal oxide are basic and non-metal oxide are acidic. Here amphoteric tin oxide, lead oxide, SnO2, PbO2 are amphoteric, and germanium oxide, silicon oxides, germanium oxide, carbon, and germanium dioxide, silicon dioxide, carbon dioxide are acidic. CO and SiO are neutral. Natural gas burn with blue flame. If natural gas burn with blue flame, then the presence of CO, and acid gas burn with blue flame, then it's CO2. Properties: carbon monoxide plus O2, then carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide plus Cl2, then carbonyl chloride, phosgene CuCl2, nickel plus carbon monoxide तो NiCO4 coordination compound, iron oxide Fe2O3 plus carbon monoxide Fe3O4 plus CO2, Fe3O4 plus CO, then iron oxide plus CO2, then iron oxide plus CO2, iron plus CO2. Then we have to discuss about carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate plus 2HCl, they form calcium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. calcium carbonate further decompose into calcium oxide and CO2. Carbon dioxide plus water, they form carbonic acid H2CO3. H2CO3 Ka1 H plus HCO3 minus, backward reaction K2 HCO3 minus K2 H plus CO3 minus 2, K1 is greater than K2. Carbonic acid H2CO3 plus Na2CO3 not give reaction H2CO3 plus NaHCO3, then it's called a buffer solution H2S plus NaHS. Weak acid and weak acid with salt of weak acid with strong base. Halide CX4 covalent, non-flammable, chemically inert. Stability CF4, CCl4, CBr4 and CI4. Mixed halide CFCl3, CF2Cl2, CCl3Br. CF2Cl2 is chlorofluorocarbon which is used in refrigerator. Here a CO2, SiO2 and germanium oxide is acidic. Tin oxide, lead oxide is amphoteric. SNO, PbO is amphoteric. Germanium oxide acidic. Silicon carbon monoxide is neutral. Property of the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is easily react with water that form carbonic acid, then is react with sodium, they form sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate. Carbon dioxide react with potassium hydroxide, form potassium carbonate which add to potassium bicarbonate. Calcium hydroxide react with CO2, form calcium carbonate plus water, further react with carbon dioxide and water, they form calcium bicarbonate. Photosynthesis, which is used in carbon dioxide plus water in presence of photon, they form a glucose C6H12O6 into 6H2. Allotrope of carbon, diamond, graphite, fullerenes. First of all, we discuss about diamond. Diamond is a hard sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral, covalent bond, melting point is high, crystalline lattice, non-conductor of the electricity, used in ultra-sensitive thermometer. Each carbon atom surrounded by 4 other carbon atoms in a diamond in sp3 tetrahedral covalent bond. Graphite is a layer sheet, 3 bond. 1 carbon atom are surrounded by another 3 carbon atom and sp2 hybridization, layer attract by van der Waals forces. Used as a dry lubricant and used at a high temperature because 28 Celsius melting point. Oil boil and vaporized because 2800 Celsius oil is boiled and vaporized, but this graphite is used as a lubricant at that temperature. At the temperature they are stable, that's why. Conductor of the electricity, 1 free electron. Used in pencil, lead pencil, Pb 0%, only graphite 100%. Hexagonal layer structure, used as a anode. Then fullerenes is called a buckyball. Graphite, high temperature, high pressure, iron gas in presence of inert gas, high temperature, high pressure and inert gas condition, Graphite is form of fullerenes. Purest form of the carbon is fullerenes C16, C17, C16, which have a 12 5-membered ring and 26 membered ring. These fused ring, one 5-membered ring fused only with one 6-membered ring, and one 6-membered ring fused with 5 or 6-membered ring. 12 5-membered ring and 26 membered ring. Single and double bond observed. 60 vertex more stable allotropes of carbon is a graphite. Enthalpy of formation is 0. Fullerenes C16, enthalpy of formation is equal to 38.1 kilojoule per mole. Diamond, enthalpy of formation 1.9 kilojoule per mole. Silica SiO2, covalent bond 3D structure sp3 hybridization, solid tetrahedral manner to 4 oxygen atom, silicon and oxygen alternate, and 8-membered ring. They form 8-membered ring. Chemical property: what is the silicon unreactive, high SiO bond enthalpy. HCl H2SO4 not react with common acid. HF NaOH react with silicon SiO2. SiO2 plus SF, silicon tetrafluoride plus H2O. Further H2SiF6 is acid. Silicon oxide plus base NaOH then is converted into Na2SiO3 plus H2O silicon. Silicons are organosilicon polymer. Repeating unit is R2SiO. I is equal to alkyl group. RnSiCl 4 minus N. Chlorosilane R2SiCl2 dichlorosilane react with water form R2Si. Then chlorine is replaced by OH2 plus 2HCl. Condensation reaction, they form a polymer SiORRO SiRRO. This RSiO RSiOR is n time repeated, then is form a polymer. RSiCl3, further RSiOH3. Then again condensation of the polymerization reaction, they form a 3D structure. Properties: high thermal stability, high dielectric strength, resistance to oxidation, and chemical water repelling in nature. Silicon surrounded by non-polar group, because silicon surrounded by non-polar group. Silicates tetrahedral SiO4 minus 4 is their structural unit. Silicates tetrahedral SiO4 minus 4. Silicon oxygen is a tetrahedral structure. Here if we represent in this shape, here is this indicate oxygen and this dot indicate silicon. In the center silicon atom and this are corner of is oxygen. Type of silicate: orthosilicate, pyrosilicate, chain silicate, and cyclic ring silicate. Orthosilicate, SiO4 minus 4 single unit. Zirconium silicate Zr SiO4 Mg2 SiO4 Be beryllium twice SiO4 Zn2 SiO4. Discrete silicate, it is called as a discrete silicate. Pyrosilicate Si2O7 minus 6. 2 unit join along a corner contain oxygen atom. One oxygen atom shared between two silicon. Iceland silicate, it is called as Iceland Si2O7 minus 6 unit. chain silicate. In chain silicate, SiO4 minus 2. Here, if we SiO4 minus 2, here 2 oxygen atom is shared by 2 nearest silicon oxygen. Another example is cyclic ring structure, SiO3 minus 2n, SiO3 minus 2.